Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy bears out of Jell-O. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 3-ounce box of your favorite Jell-O flavor and 2 packets of unflavored gelatin. Make sure you also have 1/3 cup of cold water ready. And of course, a silicone gummy bear mold is essential for shaping your delicious treats. This easy guide will have you making homemade gummies in no time. Now, let's get mixing. Pour the Jell-O powder, the 2 packets of unflavored gelatin, and the 1/3 cup of cold water into a small saucepan. Place the saucepan over low heat on your stovetop. Gently whisk the mixture continuously. Keep stirring until all the gelatin and Jell-O crystals are completely dissolved and you have a smooth, uniform liquid. This usually takes just a few minutes. With your mixture ready, it's time to fill those molds. Carefully pour the warm liquid into each cavity of your silicone gummy bear mold. A dropper can be very helpful here to avoid spills and ensure neat filling. Once all the molds are filled, place them into the refrigerator. Let them chill for at least 20 minutes or until the gummies are completely firm and set. Patience is key for perfect gummies. Once your gummy bears are firm, it's the best part. Releasing them, gently pop each gummy out of its silicone mold. They should come out easily. Now you have a batch of delicious, homemade gummy bears. To keep them fresh, store your gummies in an airtight container at room temperature. They make a fantastic snack or a fun treat to share with friends and family. Enjoy your sweet creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.